Here's my honest review of the Costway console table. I got the rustic brown one, but it also comes in 2 other colors. I really love how stylish it is and space saving, because as you can see, it's not very wide, so perfect in a hallway, for example. Or, I mean, I have it even in my office, nice and space saving, and you have lots of storage here for hidden storage like books, keys, etc. And then you have more like display things. So I put my singing bowls here, and then you can obviously put more things on display here. So I use it as a little bit of an altar. So highly recommend if you want a good quality table that doesn't take up space, where you can store things and display things. And it was very easy to set this up. I'm always a bit nervous because I don't like unboxing and putting everything together, but it was actually super easy, very easy instructions. So yeah, I highly recommend. So far so good. Nothing is broken, looks gorgeous. Highly recommend.